So first thing first, you need to have the Elementor plugin already installed on your WordPress. Is the free version. So let me show you. If I can go to my WordPress homepage and then click here on edit with Elementor. Scrolling down here from the left panel, so you will see that I have my elements logged as I'm using the free version. And then you need to go to this website here. I'll leave the link on the description and then click here on download. It will download this zip file here, which is the Pro Element plugin. It's about 4 megabytes. So alternatively, you can go to GitHub and then click here on code and then download the zip. Is the same plugin. So once you have downloaded the plugin, you need to go back to your dashboard and click on plugin, add new plugin, and then upload plugin. And then you can click here on choose file, go to your file and click the Elementor Pro and then click on install. And then once installed, you can click on activate. For some reason, it's giving me this critical error. So in order to fix this critical error, you need to log into your website folders from the cPanel. So once you are there on the folder, click on public and then go to WP content and then go to plugins and then locate the Pro Element plugin. Here is the folder. Click the folder and then delete the plugin. So the reason that it was giving me an error, it was because I have not updated the WordPress. Here you can just click on update the WordPress. So just need to update your WordPress, and then once the update has been completed, you need to also update your Elementor plugin. Just go to plugin and then go to your Elementor plugin and then update it. This is the free version of Elementor that you can install from the WordPress plugins archive. Then you can complete the same process that we have already done and then choose here file, choose the Pro Element and then click install. And then you can click on activate plugin. You see now it doesn't give me any error or whatsoever. So now we can just go to our WordPress homepage once again and then click on edit with Elementor. So from the left panel, I'll just scroll down to the Pro Elements. You can see that now I have unlocked these Elementor Pro Elements totally for free. You can even test it by choosing a new one. Just click this block and then click on add. I can scroll down and then add any elements. I will just add the portfolio element here. You can see that I can use any element. So if this video is helpful to you, give the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.